Number 1.
1989 Ford F150, price $9,750, with only 90,000 original miles, verified by Carfax, is offered with a clean title and is currently registered as non-operational. This truck features a manual transmission, runs on gasoline, and comes in a gray exterior with a matching gray interior. The vehicle has been garage kept for most of its life, making it a very original example of this classic pickup. It is completely rust-free, which is increasingly rare for trucks of this age. While the paint shows some fading in certain areas due to age, the truck still presents very well overall. This F-150 is equipped with a tow package, a comfortable leather seat, and a nice stereo system. It also has brand new tires installed. Mechanically, the truck runs strong, drives well, and does not overheat, with all major functions working properly.
Number 2.
1967 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000, features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. This gasoline-powered classic pickup runs great and comes with a clean title. It is powered by a small block Chevy V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, equipped with a rebuilt 4-barrel carburetor, mid-rise aluminum Edelbrock intake manifold, new exhaust manifold, and new fuel pump, along with dual exhaust and an oversized aluminum radiator for improved cooling. The truck also features power steering, power brakes, and recently replaced 4-wheel drum brakes, and sits on new Yokohama tires valued at about $1,000. All lights in the heater work properly, with new heater and defrost controls installed. Additional highlights include a new rear bumper, canvas bed cover, and a custom upholstered bench seat.
Number 3.
1983 Toyota Pickup, price $5,900. This truck has traveled approximately 210,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission and the legendary 22 or gasoline engine, well known for its durability and reliability. The exterior is finished in a bright yellow color, while the interior features a brown cabin with newly updated upholstery that gives the truck a refreshed look. According to the owner, the truck runs strong and drives like a new truck, reflecting the reputation of the classic Toyota pickups from this era. The vehicle currently has expired plates from 2024, but the bill of sale and registration are in hand, making the paperwork available for the next owner. It also has excellent paint, helping the truck maintain a clean and attractive appearance. The seller describes the vehicle as a solid and excellent truck, noting that their loss could be the next buyer's gain.
Number 4.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,995. This truck comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a gasoline engine. It features a green exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a classic and well-balanced appearance. The truck shows 152,000 original miles, with the engine and transmission having been replaced approximately 40,000 miles ago. It runs excellent and starts immediately on the first turn of the key. The vehicle also includes custom 20-inch centerline rims with 275/45/20 tires, while the original factory wheels and tires are included with the sale. Inside, the truck has been upgraded with a custom sound system and a new wood-grain steering wheel, adding both style and improved driving enjoyment. The registration is valid through October 2026, making this a ready-to-drive classic Chevy pickup.
Number 5.
2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,000, showing 164,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission. The paint reflects normal wear expected for a vehicle from the region, while the tires remain in great condition. The interior is in good shape overall, with the common dash trim issues seen on many trucks of this era, though it has been improved with a solid dash and a fresh dash cover.
Several interior components have recently been replaced, including new sun visor covers, a new front cup holder, a new overhead console, and a new radio with Bluetooth connectivity.
A new door latch cable has been installed on the left rear door, with an additional spare cable included for the right rear door. The truck also has fresh window tint installed all the way around. Additional updates include a Summit exhaust system and a new battery. According to Carfax records, the current seller is the third owner. The transmission was rebuilt by the previous owner.
Number 6.
1997 Nissan Pickup, price $7,500. This truck has 150,000 miles, features a manual transmission, runs on gasoline, and comes with a black exterior paired with a black interior. The vehicle has received several recent upgrades and maintenance. It was just fitted with a brand new clutch, along with a new suspension system, including new upper and lower control arm bushings and shocks. It also sits on brand new rims and tires, giving it a refreshed and solid stance. The interior has been redone, improving both comfort and appearance. Overall, this well-maintained 1997 Nissan Pickup hardbody offers a classic compact truck platform with important mechanical updates already completed. The truck comes with a clean title ready for transfer, making it a straightforward purchase for its next owner.
Number 7.
2000 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,000. This truck is equipped with a 5.9-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain, making it a solid choice for both daily driving and light-duty work. With 145,609 miles on the odometer, the vehicle remains in very good condition. It features a blue exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look. The truck has also received a brand new computer installed within the last 6 months, helping ensure reliable performance. Overall, this Dodge Ram 1500 stands out as a very nice classic truck that combines dependable power, practical four-wheel drive capability, and a comfortable interior.
Number 8.
1997 Ford F350, price $4,000. This truck has traveled 136,000 miles and is powered by a strong 7.5L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, a combination known for its reliability and towing capability. It features a black exterior complemented by a gray interior and is equipped with aluminum wheels and dual fuel tanks, allowing for extended driving range and added practicality. The interior does need some attention, as it requires a bit of TLC. Additionally, the ignition and steering column were damaged during a failed theft attempt. Despite these issues, the truck still presents a great opportunity for someone willing to put in a little work, as the overall platform remains a solid and desirable heavy-duty Ford pickup with plenty of potential for restoration, work use, or customization.
Number 9. 1979 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,900, solid classic pickup with an automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered V8 engine. The truck features a gray exterior paired with a red interior, creating a distinctive vintage look. The engine and transmission are reported to be in good condition, delivering reliable performance. Inside, the cabin is extra clean, and the truck retains manual windows, adding to its classic and straightforward design. It also sits on good tires with nice rims, giving it a clean and well-kept appearance overall. Overall, this Sierra is described as a strong running truck with a solid drivetrain and a tidy interior, making it a great example of a classic GMC pickup. Number 10.
1985 Ford F250, price $5,000. It has traveled approximately 80,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. This truck features a distinctive blue exterior paired with a red interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by a 7.5L V8 engine, one of Ford's well-known big block engines. The truck currently runs and drives, although it is registered as non-operational at the moment. Given its age, the vehicle clearly shows signs of being a 40-year-old truck, but it remains solid overall. With its classic styling, strong big block engine, and relatively low mileage for its age, it could serve well as a rewarding restoration project or a dependable old farm truck for someone looking for a vintage workhorse.